Here's another quick tutorial in AutoCAD 2011. What I'm going to be talking about here is placing our window, exterior door, and interior door blocks in this house that we've drawn, or that I've drawn in AutoCAD, which is right here. And this right here is drawn using these dimensions all these dimensions and stuff that I have here. My doors, I drew using these dimensions here. Okay, so we're going to start off with this wall right here, and as you can see, I have from the center of this wall here, the center of that window, we have 3'11". So I'm going to minimize that and bring this over here. I'm going to change my layer to window. Alright, to get to the center of this wall right here, right there, just draw a line from one side to the other. Repeat line, and then from the center of that line, our midpoint, we just come straight up. Make sure that our polar or ortho is on, whichever one you prefer. We come straight up, left click, right click to get out of the command, and you can click enter or cancel, and then we're out of it. So what we need to do is offset this line 3'11". So we can go to offset through our modify up here on our home tab up in our ribbon, and we look for offset, which is that button right there. You're going to know that that's it, because every time you hover over one of these, it tells you what it is. So offset, specify offset distance 3'11". Enter. Select object to offset. We want to offset this line, and then we want to go to our left, so we come over here to the left side of this line like this. Click one time, right click, enter. We're out of the command. Now we need another line that's 6 feet. The center of this exterior door here is 6 feet from the center of that window. So again, or a shortcut, you can either hit enter or spacebar just to invoke the last command that you used, which was offset. You can do that, or you can go up here to modify and click it again. It's all the same thing. Specify offset distance 6 feet. Enter. Here, the object that we wanted to offset was this line right here, so we selected it, and then we want to go to our left. Right click, enter, we're out of the command. Now, the first one that we're going to put in is our window. As you can see, like I said a second ago, we have the window layer on right here. We come over here to insert, up here up top. Insert block. This is going to pop up, and as you can see from blocks that I've made earlier, our name, we're going to look for our 3L window, which is here. I'm going to click OK. And then we're going to get right here, right at this intersection. You don't want it way up here, here. You want it right down here at the bottom. And then our block is in. Now, to trim these lines out, just going to draw a line from here to here, and then take this line and copy it to our other side, we're going to trim it. Select objects, this line and this line, enter, or right click, zoom in, make sure you can see this one pretty good. Get this line right here, right click, enter, and now that's all cleaned up. Now all you have to do is just select these lines and delete them, and now we have a window block that's in right here. Now we're going to go up here and we're going to set our exterior door layer current here. We're going to go up to insert block. Our insert block dialog box comes up again. Come down here to 3.0 exterior door, which is that one right there. I'm going to click OK. And then here we have our insertion point. Because this line right here represents the center of it. And then here we have that. We're going to get right there. And then to clean these lines up, just do the same thing that I just did. Draw a line like so. Grab it. Copy. And trim. Here. Left click. Select objects. Left click. Since we're done selecting those, right click. Left click on this line that we don't want, which is that one. And then enter. As you can see, I did not trim these two lines right here and right here. So I'm going to take this one and we're just going to move it. We can just, in order to move lines, you just click in this middle grip right here and you can move it anywhere you want. And I need to get it. If it'll get on there. There it goes. Now we select this one. Left click on the middle grip. And right there. And then since we have these both selected, since I have them selected right there, we're going to come back up here to trim. And left click on that. Line's not down far enough. What happened there was this line, these lines are way up here, and they're not. In order for me to trim this line right here to this grip has to be either touching it or past it, which it wasn't. That's why when I touched it, it didn't trim it. We're gonna drag them down, just drag them way down, or just however far. We're going to trim it again. Left click, and now it's fine. Alright, and now just clean all this up. Get rid of what we don't want on here. Just this. And this. And now we have an exterior door block here. And we have our window block here.